Alright, going to show you how to disassemble the Girsan Regard. This method would be the same for a Beretta 92, but I'm poor and I can't afford a Beretta, so I have a Girsan Regard. Great pistol, by the way. This is incredibly simple. Firearm is clear. Nothing in there. Release the hammer. There is a button on this side. Depress that button. Rotate this lever. Remove the slide. Your firearm is disassembled. Easiest one out there for the Beretta 92s and the Girsan Regards. Reassembly is the same, or is the reverse. There we go. Slide it back on there. Rack it. It is now fully functional. There you go. Probably the easiest firearm out there to disassemble and reassemble and field strip. Y'all have a great day.